Good afternoon, everybody. I am student meteorologist Justin Williams here to give you your North Georgia weather forecast. Behind me is your current conditions over in Athens, Georgia, 92 degrees. Those dew points all over 70 degrees once more. That's not going to end as we go on through your weekend and going into next week. And though it feels like temperatures into the mid 90s. And as we go into the day here, we could be seeing forecast highs up to 94 degrees here in the southeastern quadrant of North Georgia here. And those feels like temperatures might be into the upper 90s by the end of the day, but they will be quickly cooling off. We're going to be having some showers and thunderstorms forming over here to our west, and that's going to be making its way east. It's going to be cooling us off by the end of the day. And as you guys can see, this is your current radar. Here's those thunderstorms starting to form from Hiwassee down into Calhoun, into Atlanta. They're going to be making its way towards Athens by 4 o'clock here. As we give you the outlook, Athens could be seeing some thunderstorms by 4 o'clock, and they're going to be making its way on out of our region here by your evening hours. And by midnight, we could have a stray shower or thunderstorm in the wake of this system. But after that, it is going to be clear skies here for most of North Georgia. We could have a partly cloudy here and there, but for the most part, we will be partly cloudy skies with a couple of thunderstorms and showers moving their way in by mid-morning here in northwest Georgia near Calhoun. You guys could be seeing some rain and thunderstorms to start your morning. And then here is going into your late afternoon and then evening time of Friday. You can see we have some storms making their way in. Another system coming through, bringing us some rain. And here is your forecasted rainfall as we go all the way into Saturday morning here. You guys can see for most of us, we're going to be seeing around 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain, but there is some isolated areas that could be seeing 4+ inches of rain here. That's what these yellows are. So where these areas are, please be on the lookout. Flash flooding is most definitely going to be possible in those spotty, isolated areas. Here's your overnight low for Athens tonight, 70 degrees. We're going to have some scattered showers making their way on out of our region in the early hours overnight. That's because those thunderstorms will be making their way through in the early part of the evening, but they will be clearing us up going into tonight. In terms of rain, we're going to be left with partly cloudy skies going into your morning time and rebounding into the 90s once more here tomorrow. 90 degrees here in Athens. We're going to be barely making it to 90 with some thunderstorms going to be making their way into most of our region tomorrow. Most of us will be seeing some thunderstorms because of it. And here's your 7-day forecast. Friday is going to be very, very rainy. 90 degrees is going to be your high, but after that, we have upper 80s. We're going to be walking the line, Johnny Cash would say it best, of between the upper 80s and 90 degrees here. And it's going to be a wet weekend, but Sunday is looking to be clearing up just a little bit. Going into Monday and Tuesday, those could be your driest days. Might be your best days to get outside. And other than that, Wednesday and Thursday is looking to be going to be a return towards the wet side of the road. Once again, I am student meteorologist Justin Williams. Have a good day and go Dogs.